What's up, guys? I've tried this vlog thing. I'm not actually too comfortable in front of a camera. We used to script things out and then we revise them and then we perform the script. So this is a bit of a challenge doing the whole improv thing, but I'm hoping I'll get better with time. But I wanted to put out this video because it's like a bit of an apology and also my first vlog that I'm trying to see how it works. And this acoustic guitar of mine, this Taylor, I love this guitar to bits, but I bought it secondhand and it's giving me issues. So always make sure when you buy a guitar secondhand that everything is working 110%, because when you buy it, you can't go back to the guy and be like, yeah, this thing is not working, what did you sell me? So gonna see to take it to the store today, to the music store around the corner here, and see if they can fix it up for me. But essentially this input jack is giving issues here. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work, and it's super frustrating because every single time I'm recording a whole scene and then I have to run to the computer and the audio wasn't recorded. And it's very intermittent at the moment, so I have to wiggle it around, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but at the moment I'm just very frustrated with it. So I will unfortunately not be able to bring out the video that we promised this week, which is the intermediate version of Say Something. And hopefully we can do it next week. So trying to get this guitar fixed as soon as possible so we can get that video out to you guys. Another good news is I met up with a music store. I cannot disclose who the music store is as of yet because we're still busy with a bit of negotiations and so on. But the music store is going to help us give away monthly prizes every single month, which is super awesome. They're also going to help us to promote our videos because they're also a pretty big brand here, especially in South Africa. One of the biggest. So proud to say that we might be sponsoring or getting sponsored by one of the biggest music stores in South Africa. So that'll be great. And so the other thing that they also will be doing for us is they'll be giving us gear to do reviews for you guys. So you must let us know in the comments if there's any gear that you would like us to do a review of. And we're going to be having like a trial period with this music store to see how everything works out, and then after that we'll see to do like an exclusive year contract with them. But other than that, I'm very excited for it, and the owner is also super excited of the music store. And they've actually got 6 branches across the whole of South Africa, so they're a pretty big music store, especially here in South Africa. But other than that, guys, once again, I apologize for not being able to produce a nice video this week. We tried to get one out every single week, but at the same time, I'm going to start vlogging once a week. So I guess this is a good improv opportunity for me to start vlogging. But I'll see you guys on the flip side, and for now, you can still check out our beginner version of Say Something if you haven't yet so far. And yeah, till we see you next week, guys. Till we see you next time. Cheers.